What is a real estate appraisal? An appraisal is a third-party report that is meant to provide an opinion of value for a property. An appraisal is almost always ordered by a lender in order for a buyer to obtain a loan to purchase the property or an owner to obtain a new mortgage on a property that they already own. In rare cases, an appraisal might be required in order to settle a dispute between owners, or maybe as part of a court order, perhaps for a divorce, bankruptcy, or foreclosure, for example. When used to determine market value for a lender, the lender is looking to determine their maximum loan amount for the property. The loan amount is based on a percentage of the property value, hence the term loan to value, or LTV, as those of us in the business like to refer to it. Keep in mind that the appraised value is just an opinion, and opinions can be biased. Appraisers know that their report can make or break a deal, since their opinion of value directly determines how much of a loan the buyer can get. And if the buyer can't get enough of a loan, this can be a deal killer. The appraised value should be taken with a grain of salt, and let's just leave it at that. I'm Kyle McCorkle with Prime Home Real Estate, and thanks for watching.